Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Special welcome to all our who are there every day. Yeah. Now, if you want more people to hear God's word in the Jamaican language, then do us a favor, click the like button, leave a comment below, tell what you think, and share this video with as many people as you can. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, then please click the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell, because that way you will get notified every time there's a new video posted, and that will be 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning on YouTube.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 12 from verse 13 to verse 21. Somebody in the crowd said to Jesus, "Teacher, tell me brother if you share the dead left with me now." Jesus answers say, "Man, who give me the right to settle argument and share dead left between the two of you?" Then him tell them say, "Watch out. Uno fi guard against all kind of ready eye. Cause life not just about how much sitting we own." And Jesus tell them that story. One rich man did have one farm where bear whole heap of food. So the rich man said to himself, say, "Oh, what me fi do? Me no have no place to keep all of them sitting here." Then him say, "Me know what me go do. Me go tear down my storehouse them and build some bigger one. And me go keep me grain and all what me own in a them. And me go say to myself, Master, you are one lucky man. You have enough sitting and them a go last you for one long, long time. Take life easy. Nyam, drink, and make merry." But God tell him say, "You fool, tonight, you go dead. Who I go get where you put up for yourself?" This our happen to anybody we save up for themselves, they sitting them where they on earth, but not rich in the sitting them where God care about. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.